Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Facebook. To turn off active status on Facebook, so on the Facebook app, open Facebook app, then click your profile in the bottom right. Then from here, scroll down and tap settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Then scroll down to audience and visibility and tap on active status. Now turn show when you're active off. So toggle that off and click turn off to confirm the action and confirm if prompted. Now, if you're on the website, you can go to Facebook and click the messenger icon. Then just click the three dots or preferences and select active status. Then turn off show when you're active and save your changes. Now, if you're on Messenger, you can also open Messenger, then tap on menu in the bottom right. Then from here, tap on settings and select active status and turn off show when you're active. So note, when you turn off active status, you generally won't be able to see when other people are active either. And that's it. Thank you for watching.